Hi there, this is Ramon. I'm here at the Water Wellness, and we're making the invitation for anyone who's interested in higher consciousness learning. This Sunday, we're going to be on March 18th at 10 a.m. in the morning till 12 noon. We will be training people on how to connect with the higher consciousness of the universe, how to bring in that super consciousness into your subconsciousness of your heart, and how to develop all your higher trainings with that. We always remember the heart is your feminine energy, or if you want to call it the inner child. The inner child is always about you enjoying life, having fun, being free. The masculine energy of the logical brain, that is the masculine that wants to always organize and structure and slow down the inner child. But that brain is not the one that creates or generates any manifestations. So we will train you how to use your heart and how to connect with the superconsciousness of the entire universe, because you are made of the universe. You are an extension of the universe. So here's how we will train you how to actually make contact with it and increase your manifestation abilities for anything that you want in your life. It is that easy. So join us here this Sunday, March 18th. 10 a.m. till 12 noon, and it's $50. So come join us and increase your abilities to live a happy life. Peace to your mind, peace to your soul, peace to your body.